morning, happy Vlogmas Day 11 update. We got some coffee from inside. The guys are going to help us, and we're going to plug in because we're staying here all day.
We're residents.
Yay! We just had our morning breakfast with chat with the guys, and now we're going home. Come on. Back. Look at a peek or a cute little Christmas tree. I'm changing out our water. This one was empty, and we're in our spot. We have two little spots that we park at the AAMCO. There's one that we are right behind a wall. Let me show you. This is our view. But first place we parked so we can stay in the van, and they allowed us, and then the second place was right in front over there. Took the spot, snagged it last night, and I'm gonna let Dustin do more of the explaining. Pretty much we're gonna work here all day, and yeah, we're gonna work here and wait for the part. They're ordering a part, but again, I'll let Dustin just explain that more. I'm gonna change this water. Catch up or cliff notes on the van. So yesterday when I picked up the van, the mechanic had mentioned there's a potential sensor that'll need, well, there's one error code that is still popping up, and it's like the sensor that's in the engine, in the camshaft or something like that, that will most likely need to be changed within the next 60 to 90 days. So we're like, okay, cool, at least we kind of have that window and grace period to get it fixed. We can continue driving south and then worry about it within the next 2 to 3 months. When we left Panera, the van still had issues starting, which they're thinking that's secondary to the sensor. So we contacted the mechanic. He said, unfortunately, since the issue is happening, instead of waiting the 60 to 90 days, that we're going to have to change it now. Luckily, Liz said, let's text the mechanic last night, because he did order the piece. It should be arriving soon. So once it arrives, they're going to get started on the van, and hopefully that's the reason why the van's not starting. The mechanic did say there's an 80% chance that it is the reason why it's not starting, but the moment that they open up the engine and change that sensor, there is a 20% chance that they may see something else. So it's honestly just a waiting game, and fingers crossed it's just the cam sensor that needs to be changed and it's nothing else, and we're not surprised with anything anymore. So we shall see what the verdict is later on today. While we wait for the mechanic to get the piece that they need to change in the engine, I am going to make Liz's favorite breakfast burritos. It's not really breakfast, it's more like lunch, brunch, but it'll be a late breakfast. And it's just going to be tofu scrambled, since that's honestly the fastest thing to make, just in case they want to take the van inside. Late breakfast. Brunch. Guys, it's been a few hours. We are here working. We are in the same exact spot that we slept in, and we woke up early to see if they were, like, to tell them or to see what the plan was. And so he ordered the part, which I'm so grateful that we texted him last night. He ordered the part, and it arrived a few hours ago, and he said he has it. However, the one person that I think could read it or that can do it is not here. And
before you guys get crazy and mad, he's not here because his mom just passed away. And I feel so bad, but that's the one person we're waiting on, so I don't want to, like, you know, press him or keep asking and, like, poke and ask and ask and ask. However, one, I had a whole plan from now till Friday to be where we need to be, because we have somewhere really exciting to be on Friday, but yeah, we're here, and they close at 6, so that's what's really, like, I don't know, it's just like, he said it could be done today, like it would be done. They also told Destiny it takes about 3 hours to be done. So I'm glad we didn't have to do our walk commute to work, and working from bed is kind of nice. I cleaned the house, Destiny cooked us breakfast, I feel like it's almost time for lunch. But yeah, I don't know, it's literally just a waiting game, but I am glad that we could wait in our van, which is not always the case, so I love that. So we're just here working. And today we're gonna decorate our tree because we need some joy, some happiness, and you know, yeah, maybe we'll do that in a bit, but we gotta finish some work. We're sitting at the table. Destiny just made us some ramen. We have some noodles, zucchini, mushrooms. Is that all? What? I just burned myself. Oh, yeah. Also, I wanted to give some light to this sriracha. If you don't know anything about the sriracha, what is it? The sriracha shortage. Thank you. There is none. But apparently, I don't know if they're have a comeback. My sister went into the store and found a buttload, like shelves and shelves of it, and I was like, oh my god, grab me 18. And then we already had asked Destiny's mom to grab us a bottle where she found one, but she went to like an Asian market. But this, I know, but this bottle, it's sriracha chili sauce. This is probably the one, and we've tried at least like 3, maybe 4 different bottles. This one right here, if you can't find sriracha, is the best imitation of it. Also, it's hot. Yeah, it's as I'm doused.
You're full. And I put serranos in here.
You did? I did. It's okay, I like spice. Anyways, we're gonna watch some YouTube and eat our dinner. Bye. Bye. So this is our Mr. Buddy heater, and it keeps us so warm, doesn't it, babe? Mm-hmm. She loves it. We honestly wouldn't have gotten through winter. Actually, we're not through it, but we wouldn't be here without this.
Yeah, that's very true.
This has literally been a lifesaver, and it's just I don't think it says it on here. Oh, right there, Mr. Buddy. And you get it from, well, we got ours from Walmart, like I think 30 bucks, and then you just use a little propane to fill it. And this is on low, and then you could put it higher too, but like I could fill it as strong right.
$75.
What was $75? This was $75? We bought it for 50 bucks or 30 bucks.
It's not $30.
Yes.
I promise you.
Maybe it was on sale.
$30.
50?
Minimum 50.
50. Okay, 50. That's. Hey guys, we are off work and we are going to take a rain check on decorating the tree again. We're just tired and not really just in the mood for it. But I wanted to show you a quick little haul of what we got. I don't know if I showed it all before, but we got little cute stockings for the dogs and our names, as well as matching PJs. We both got PJs, and then the dogs got some. So we're gonna match with them. And then we got some ornaments. We got some of these black ones here, these red ones, and we're gonna decorate the tree with these, as well as some battery operated lights. So we're gonna do that probably tomorrow. I think we'll just be in better spirits when our van is done and, you know, we have our home back officially and not in a parking lot. But we'll let you guys know the status tomorrow. And I'm so sorry that this is prolonged, but I hope you guys have a good, I don't even know what day this is, a good week. Send good vibes. Tell someone you love them, hug them, and yeah. Happy holidays. See you guys tomorrow.